Whether booking a ticket, streaming video, or saving to cloud storage, your data must physically travel across the globe to find you. Without a specific delivery system, everyday internet functions would instantly break down. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to track down your public IP address on your computer and smartphone, and you will learn how to decode exactly what those numbers mean. To follow along, you only need 3 things: a computer or smartphone, an active internet connection, and a web browser. Understanding this address removes the mystery of how data finds its way to your personal screen. Think of it like a physical mail delivery system. A postman cannot deliver a package to you unless they have your specific street and home address. The digital realm operates the same way. When you want to download a file, your computer requires a unique location address, so other computers on the internet know where to send that data. That location address is called an IP address, which stands for Internet Protocol. It is a specific string of numbers that acts like a home address for your device. Without this specific routing number, the global internet network cannot locate your device to deliver the data you requested. This diagram shows the standard IPv4 format, 4 separate numbers divided by dots. Each number ranges from 0 to 255. Underneath, these represent a 32-bit binary sequence of ones and zeros that hardware can process. This 32-bit mathematical system has a hard limit. It caps out at approximately 4 billion unique devices. To organize these addresses into smaller, manageable networks, a number called a subnet mask is used. In many home networks, this mask is 255.255.255.0, distinguishing the local network portion from your specific device identifier. Because the world now has far more than 4 billion devices, this diagram shows the modern solution, IPv6. It uses a 128-bit structure separated by colons to allow for a virtually infinite number of unique addresses. This shift guarantees that every future smart device will have a unique identifier on the network. Now, let's retrieve yours. Start by opening a web browser on your primary computer. Navigate to Google and type the exact phrase, "What is my IP?" into the search bar. Press Enter. The string of numbers displayed at the very top of the search results is your active IP address. You can replicate this process on a mobile device. Open your browser and type, or ask your voice assistant, "What is my IP?" This specific number is your public IP. It is the face your device presents to the global internet, regardless of how your internal home network is set up. This illustrates dynamic IP addresses. Your internet service provider assigns a temporary, changing number from an available pool. Contrast this with static IP addresses.
These are permanent, unchanging addresses used by servers that need to be found at the exact same location every time. Because static IPs never change, they make a device easier to track over time, potentially revealing information like your city or your service provider. Recognizing whether your IP is static or dynamic is key in understanding how much information your connection shares with the sites and services you visit. You have now located your digital footprint and can identify whether it uses the IPv4 or IPv6 format. Remember to maintain safe internet habits, especially if you are operating on a traceable static IP connection. If this guide helped you decode your network connection, please like this video, share it, and subscribe for more technical explainers.